Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mature bok choy. First, carefully wash each stalk of bok choy under cool running water, making sure to remove any dirt or grit. Then, separate the crisp white stems from the tender green leaves using a sharp knife. Chop the stems into uniform 1-inch pieces, as they require a longer cooking time. Finally, gently tear the green leaves into smaller, manageable sections, preparing them for later. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil, such as sesame or olive oil, in a large pan or wok over a medium-high flame. Once the oil shimmers, add the chopped white bok choy stems to the hot pan. Sauté these stems for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring frequently until they become tender crisp. This initial cooking softens them perfectly, ensuring they are not too hard when you combine them with the leaves. Now, add the torn green bok choy leaves directly into the pan with the tender crisp stems. Continue to sauté the entire mixture for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently. Watch as the vibrant green leaves quickly wilt down and become tender. Be careful not to overcook them, as you want to preserve their bright color and delicate, slightly sweet flavor in the dish. To finish, season your perfectly cooked bok choy with about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce or tamari for a savory touch. Add a small dash of toasted sesame oil and a pinch of freshly ground white pepper to further enhance the flavors. Stir everything together for about 30 seconds, ensuring the seasonings are evenly distributed throughout. Your delicious, tender crisp mature bok choy is now ready to be served immediately as a wonderful side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.